Stop what you are doing. We have breaking news. SpaceX, the beloved SpaceX, just hit an all-time low of $120. I'm sorry, I got so excited. I actually drew off of the screen. SpaceX stock closes at fresh low. 7 straight day losses. Maybe 8? No, we're staying at 7.
SpaceX shares down for a 6th straight day, now trading 45% off the record high hit in the days after its IPO. The stock traders has now wiped out about $1 trillion in market cap from the peak.
Well, the question is, with confetti popped and fire shot, is it the bottom? Is it time? Should we, Bravo, buy the bottom? Because we were told to buy the top. It was IPO. You ain't getting any better than this. And I told everyone, all 250,000 subscribers, also welcome to the new channel, on the other channel, that now I am doing a lot of trades. Actually, I will try to stick to a majority of trades because that's what I was asked for. But my phone has been blowing up. Do I buy? Do I buy? My emails, family, friends, more family. This was pre-IPO, and I said no. Not yet. So the question is, has the yet now finally come when people are now telling you buy SpaceX shares ahead of the Starship launch? The same people that told you to buy it IPO. This was the biggest IPO in history, and it has collapsed.
SpaceX begins public trading today in what's expected to be the largest public offering of stock ever.
At about $1.77 trillion. But from there, anything can happen.
Once again, retail is the bag holders. And retail does not understand charts, which I will help you on this channel to understand said lines, because that is your price action. Price moves not based on IPO. Price does not move based on PE ratios. I used to teach this for decades at university, high school, junior high, you name it. And I was always wrong until I found the charts. Retail investors have poured $320 million into SpaceX this month. By far the most of any individual stocks. Amazon is down here. You can't even see it. SpaceX, top. Look at these net flows. This is insanity. Here we go again. Another buy high, sell low. Retail, bag holders. And I need to be upfront. I actually do have founder shares of a, it's like SpaceX. Are traded on the NASDAQ. They IPO'd also, but I happen to be the person on the other side. I already handed off 1/4 of my bags at the top. So I'm familiar how this works. I buy it for $1, I sell it for $9. Well, that's 1/4 of my shares. I will not, and I cannot share with anyone what this company is. Not even my wife wouldn't even know. I do find it hysterical how people just go all in when they see this. Buy SpaceX shares. Thank you, ass eat two. Never have, and I don't ever want to try it. On July 16th, she wanted me to eat something else. Buy the dip. We got another one. What is it? It is a drone company. Look at this. Let's how's the chart? You doing good? Let's take a look. It's based on one line that CNBC gives me. It was a Head and Shoulders here, and then it's another Head and Shoulders here. This is all bearish. This all goes down, well, to a trend line here. Okay. Now, some people like Bob right there will look at this and go, I can't make anything of this. Well, this is what causes price to go up or down, or your portfolio to go up or down, or you to be able to go on a date night. This really bad line, and no, I am not drinking. It is way too early. I had mentioned a Head and Shoulders. I am doing my best here. This is a Head and Shoulders. If you break this, you measure from here to here, and then your price from here to here. Do you see that? You just carry it here. That's where it's going. until you see another one. I could do this all day long because I do. And then you have a trend line. It is upwards. So you're not doing anything there. Breaking news, you are definitely not taking advice from CNBC saying buy SpaceX shares because that's what she says. Now you would like to know, what are we doing with SpaceX? Am I buying? Am I selling? What is it? I am sorry. I have the NASDAQ chart up right now because I have to do a video on this one. I've been saying this for a month or 2 months. Or you're in a diamond. I've been waiting for it to break. It broke. I said, you make money going down here. And then it's going to come back up. Here, I'll help you with this. It's going to confirm this right here. It's going to come up. It's going to confirm, and then it's going to break lower. Well, I mean, you can make money there. But if you come up here, hit that, and confirm down, you click that sell button right there. This might sound a little crazy, but if you were to have clicked it right there and then closed your position right there, you take 831.32 and you times it by 20. If you're really bad in math like I am, use a calculator. You're up that one move, 16,626 on one contract. This is what I do every morning, every afternoon, every evening. I just try to keep it in the morning. And then I film YouTube videos and I put out, and someone actually caught this, a trader. See, people know. They said, you break that, we go down. You come up, retest, You got it. Breaking news, if you want to learn about it, because you're never going to be taught this in high school and college. No one knows this. I actually call it stock market money glitch. There's some things on this you cannot find on the interwebs. It's just me. I have a step-by-step course on it because when I taught university, I'm like, hey, why don't I just do this online? After you learn how to do it, you can even do, I have a watch list every morning. I put out new trades. I have bull. I have options. Pretty good gains. Get locked in at $50 a month. That's 40% off. You're welcome. Welcome to my channel where I teach you how to do this. Because on my other channel, people are like, just tell us this 3 stats that explain SpaceX 1 trillion stock. Oh, now you guys are going to explain the wipeout. Oh, as if I didn't. You have the 1%, and then you have bag holders. But I wonder, maybe Joe here may have been saying you should buy it. As I do my due diligence on him, SpaceX is the hottest trade on college campuses. Tell us, Joe, anything? Should we go all in? I mean, all the college students, they all must know something with degrees. Why don't we look at the said chart? This, my friends, is called catching a falling knife. That's a bounce with kind of a head and shoulders, with more of a follow through, with another bounce. And you guys are way below IPO. I mean, you're not getting, this thing was 1.6 in this range. Some people are like, I got it at 130. No, you didn't. And someone is holding it at 225 all the way down to, wow, 119. And you almost lost half. Now what? Is it time to get in? Well, what do the charts say? The charts say you're not even above the 9-day moving average yet. So no. The daily, y'all still catching a falling knife, even when people said, oh, this is the bottom. Yeah, it's not. There is no confirmation on the daily. Why don't we drop it to the 1 hour? Do we have, oh my golly wally, you have some confirmation. If you would like to swing trade this, could have gotten in a couple hours ago, but you got risk. Let me help you with what you are currently seeing. Do you see when the 789 comes on? That's like the low, and then it swings up. See, every time that comes on, then it's going to swing. That comes on, it's going to swing up. That comes on, swing up. That comes on, swing up. That comes on, swing down. It's predictable. Now the next question is, well, Bravo, would you buy in on this? The answer is no, but look how low it is. I don't care. You are also in, these are things you need to understand. You're in a channel going lower. You're at the top of the channel. So while everyone's telling you, go all in on SpaceX, this is the bottom. They don't know. They're just throwing stuff out. It's the charts that predict it. Please, for the love of your family, learn how to do this. Good news is I happen to be the guy with the goofiest hair to show you how to do it. And with that, well, today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday. I'll see you in tomorrow's trade.